Hey everyone, welcome back to IT Insider. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to learn how to format text in Microsoft Word. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, this guide will help you make your Word documents look professional. Let's start by opening a document. You can either create a new one or open an existing file where you want to format the text. Tip: if you don't have a document yet, just type a few sentences so we can practice. The first step to formatting text is to select it. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text you want to change. You can also press Ctrl+A to select all the text in the document. Once the text is selected, let's change the font style and size. Head over to the Home tab, and you'll find the font options in the ribbon. For example, you can change the font to Arial and adjust the size to 14. Try experimenting with different fonts to find what fits your style. Now, let's add some emphasis to your text. You can make it bold, italic, or underline it. These are great for highlighting important points in your document. Next, let's change the color of the text. Still in the Home tab, look for the Font Color option, which looks like a letter with a colored underline. Pick a color that stands out or matches the theme of your document. Now let's align the text. You can choose from left, center, right, or justified alignment. Left aligned is the default, but for titles or headings, center alignment often works best. To make your text more readable, you can adjust the line and paragraph spacing. Under the Paragraph section, click on the Line and Paragraph Spacing button. This is especially useful for essays or reports where you need more space between lines. If you're listing items, you can use bullet points or numbered lists to make the information clear. Just click the bullet or numbering icon to add these to your document. Finally, if you make a mistake, don't worry. You can easily undo or redo changes with the buttons at the top, or by pressing Ctrl+Z to undo and Ctrl+Y to redo. And that's it! You've learned the basics of text formatting in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.